What's up everyone? I know it's been ages since I've uploaded. It's been about three or 4 weeks. I think I have a valid explanation. I broke my toe about 3 or 4 weeks ago, and it's just been a pain. Can't really do much about a broken toe. Just have to like wait it out. I don't know what I'm doing today, but I'm going to go set up. I'm just going to go chuck some new Luxe trucks on my board. Shout out to Luxe Trucks and Calvin Skinner for the hookup. Alright, so these are the old trucks. Looker V2s. These are photos as well. And these are the new ones. Well, they're not new, second hand from Calvin. Not sure if they're 45 degree or 50 degree, but I know that those ones are 50 degrees. Yeah, go chuck them on. Looking good. Alright, I'm going skating with Cam, Brady, and Dan. I'm just going to take a chill to start off, see how my toe goes, if it hurts or not. Yeah. Jesus. That's sex. I've been really trying. How the I don't need grip tape. I have shoes. Holy shit!
Yeah, I came in with a saw. Ooh, yeah, I came in with a saw. Yeah, bitch, I flare it raw. Yeah, bitch, I flare it raw. Yeah, yeah.
Whoa! Dang clip! That was a dang clip. We're at secret spot. We got the crew. The man, the myth, the legend. Oh! Got a brick. What? New DP, dude.
I don't make vlogs anymore.
Yes, you do. I'm waiting for another one.
Yeah, I gotta announce the prize winner. It's so.
I'm not putting that in my fucking.
Censor it out.
You can just. Yeah, I figured out who it was, and I just haven't filmed the video because they don't have a camera.
Oh, yeah.
Hopefully, we have a cross section of people who watch my videos and people who watch your videos.